Hello there, folks. Here we have the official breakfast question of the day for March 26th. And what we have here is a little coordinate geometry. So what is the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis and 4 units above the x-axis? First thing to always do here is to draw it. There's no reason to try to move forward without drawing the situation. So we get coordinate plane, and here the y-axis, the x-axis. Then we can start to do some work. Again, can you get this right without doing that? Maybe, but why take the chance? Why give yourself an opportunity to make some silly mistake? So we want something that is parallel to the x-axis and 4 units above. All right, well that's going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to look like this red line. Okay, well, anything that is horizontal like that is going to have a y equals something equation. So we can get rid of a and b right away. You could also sort of get rid of those by saying, well, x doesn't have to equal -4, right? X could, we'd be at -4, 4, right? This point right here. But there are a whole bunch of other points where x does not equal -4. Similarly, there are a whole bunch of points where x doesn't equal 4. And so we can get rid of those right away. Good thing to remember, if it's horizontal, it's y equals something. If it's vertical, it would be x equals something. If x equals 1, we'd have a vertical one. So that leaves us with three choices left. And in this case, we could, it's definitely E. If we wanted to be rock solid, we could sort of plug in a point, right? So this is 0, 4. Back here we had -4, 4. In both of those cases, y equaled 4. Y did not equal -4, so C is out. Y did not equal 0, so D is out. So again, pretty straightforward. The thing that I would say is just remember to draw it. This isn't the hardest question in the world, and maybe you can get it right without drawing it. But the more you take little shortcuts like that, the more you open yourself up for making silly mistakes. Their hint, any line that is parallel to the x-axis is a horizontal line. That's great if you remember what that means, and that a horizontal line means y equals something. But again, always draw it to make sure. And again, their hint doesn't go quite far enough. So that's the question for today. As always, if you have any questions on this or anything else you're working on, feel free to email me at aaron@passportcorrupt.net. And I look forward to hearing from you, and good luck with the rest of your preparation.